I've always been looking for the perfect ring light, and I think I finally found the one. So this ring light is actually self-powered by this super cute and adorable traveler power bank. It's like a little suitcase, and you can use this separately as a power bank too to charge your devices on the go, and it turns into a hand warmer. It's like a perfect little gift for the winter and for the holidays. So the really good thing is now I don't have to look for a wall plug, and I don't have to try to find a background that's close enough so that I can plug into the wall. I can just take this on the go and film content anywhere. It's like incredible. I also love this retractable thing for USB. One of the plugs, you can use it to power the ring light. The other one can actually charge your phone simultaneously. And this whole thing just stays on for 2 hours plus. This ring light itself, it has 3 light modes. So this is, I think, neutral, cold, and warm. And it has a different brightness level. It goes up fully into around this, and you can extend it fully to a standing height of 5'6". This phone holder thing also rotates, so you see it can go down. Sometimes when I'm just like doing some arts and crafts, I just use this, I put it up there, and it can just like film the whole art creation process. This ring light itself also is very adjustable. You can fold it back, and it's on sale for 50% off, $87 only for this whole entire kit. Probably the best deal ever. So check them out on multitasky.com and you will not be disappointed.